In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you need to recreate an invoice without building it from scratch, QuickBooks Online makes that process simple. Duplicating an invoice can save time, help reduce manual entry errors, and make recurring billing tasks much easier, especially when the new invoice is very similar to one you've already sent before. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, head to the main navigation and open Sales, then select Invoices. This will take you to your invoice list, where you can view existing invoices and find the one you want to copy. Next, locate the invoice you'd like to duplicate. If you have a long list of invoices, take a moment to identify the correct one carefully. This is important because the duplicated invoice will carry over the information from the original, so you want to start with the closest match possible. When you've found the right invoice, click on it to open the full invoice details. This gives you a chance to confirm that everything on the original invoice is what you expect before creating the copy. From the invoice screen, look for More Actions. Click that menu to open the available options. In that list, choose Copy. Once you do that, QuickBooks Online will automatically generate a new invoice based on the original one. Now that the copied invoice is open, review it carefully. Check the customer information, the products or services listed, the quantities, the amounts, and the invoice dates. Even though QuickBooks has copied the original invoice for you, it's still a good idea to verify each section before saving. This helps make sure the duplicated invoice is accurate and appropriate for the current transaction. If anything needs to be different from the original invoice, go ahead and make those changes now. For example, you may need to adjust dates, update line items, or change amounts. This is the step where you customize the copied invoice so it matches exactly what you need. Once everything looks correct, save the invoice by clicking Save and Close if you want to keep it on file and return later, or choose Review and Send if you're ready to prepare it for delivery right away. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and practical feature that can help streamline your invoicing workflow and keep your billing process efficient. Thanks for watching.